It's day 28 of the 100 Days of Making Comics. I'm Joshua Kemble, and what is the 100 Days of Making Comics? It's the challenge where you spend 30 minutes a day minimum for 100 consecutive days and work on your own personal comic project. And yeah, I'm on day 28. I'm actually heading to work today, which I do pretty much 5 days out of the week. It's a pretty long commute, but I'm heading to where I work as an art director, and I'm just thinking about what I need to accomplish tonight. So tonight is an episode of Artcasters, and it'll be on Scott's channel, Scott Circlin's channel, and on nights where I do the Artcasters, it's going to be a little complicated to also do this vlog, but I also want to keep consistent with the daily updates on my progress for the challenge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to record this part. I'll probably recap with you guys after Artcasters to talk about, the progress that I made on my comic, probably during Artcasters. And then that'll probably do it. So yeah, I so far am enjoying the challenge. It's not super heavy yet. I have noticed that uploading the videos has really complicated my ability to kind of sleep as much during these 100 days. So that's been a challenge, but it's also been kind of fun. And it's been interesting to challenge myself to make content and be less precious about it, just get it out there. So that's been a really good practice. But yeah, so I mean, we'll see how it goes. But so far, I'm pretty confident that I'll complete this challenge, and hopefully nothing, overcomplicates it or anything like that. So I'll follow up with you guys when I'm done. Oh, I should also mention the comic I'm working on. So I'm going to be working on penciling the next panel on page 60 for Quarterly Stories, which is my graphic novel that I hand write, hand letter, hand ink, and hand draw, and then hand to you. Hopefully someday in print. And until that day, it's available serialized online at quarterlystories.com. And you can also find it on Tapas by just looking for Quarterly Stories and adding it to your library there. That'll pretty much do it. Heading to work, feeling fairly positive, although I'm very tired. And, gonna do Artcasters tonight and hopefully do some comics. Here's the page so far, and this is the panel I penciled, so day 28 of the 100 Days of Making Comics complete. Okay, so that does it for day 28 of the 100 Days of Making Comics. Now I'm going to go do Artcasters. I'm also going to, during Artcasters tonight, vectorize the illustration that I showed a few vlogs back of like a sailor with like squid that the client approved because the client's payment just went through, so I want to vectorize and send the art as soon as possible to them. And then probably start on the roughs as well if I have time. So that'll do it. Thanks to those of you who've subscribed, liked, shared, and commented on my YouTube videos so far. It's much appreciated, and I will probably post this after Artcasters, but if you guys are curious, check out Artcasters on Scott Circlin's channel. It's on his channel this week, and it'll be on my channel next week. But this one should be pretty good. I think we have the guest Corey Kerr on, who's super smart, super awesome, has a great YouTube channel, and we've had on before, and I always have a really good time talking to him. All right, I hope you guys are having success in your art journeys. Don't stop believing. That was a Journey reference. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye. So I've already signed out and everything, but I got a lot more accomplished on Artcasters than I thought, so I ended up finishing the pencils for the page. So this is what I penciled today. Pretty awesome. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow, but the page is penciled, so I can start inking first thing tomorrow.